Did you know that beneath the bustling streets of Cairo lies an ancient city of the dead? Welcome to Cairo, the heart of Egypt, cradled by the mighty Nile River. This city is more than just the sprawling metropolis you see today. It's a living testament to centuries of human civilization, a treasure trove of stories etched in stone and sand. Imagine a city that has seen the rise and fall of empires, a city that has welcomed scholars, traders, invaders, and explorers from every corner of the world. From the pharaohs to the Ottomans, each era has left its mark, contributing to the rich tapestry that is Cairo. And beneath it all lies the city of the dead, a sprawling cemetery that isn't just a place of rest for the departed, but a living, breathing neighborhood. This vast necropolis is a city within a city, a testament to Cairo's enduring spirit. That's just the tip of the iceberg. Cairo has more secrets waiting to be revealed. Ever wonder why Cairo is known as the City of 1,000 Minarets? This nickname isn't just a poetic flourish, it's a testament to the city's architectural grandeur. Cairo boasts a staggering array of mosques, each crowned with a minaret, a tall, slender tower that often pierces the sky. These minarets aren't merely decorative, they have a practical purpose. Traditionally, the muezzin or prayer caller would climb to the top to announce the call to prayer, their voice echoing across the city. Today, speakers often replace the human voice, but the minarets remain, standing tall and proud. Each minaret tells a story of a time, a place, a community. They reflect Cairo's rich history, its architectural evolution, and its religious and cultural life. From the spiraling minaret of Ibn Tulun to the twin minarets of Sultan Hassan, they mirror the city's diversity, its resilience, and its enduring beauty. Cairo's skyline is a testament to its rich history and vibrant culture. What if I told you that Cairo is home to some of the world's oldest libraries? It's true. The city is a treasure trove of ancient knowledge with libraries that have stood the test of time. One such library is the Dar al-Kutub, a veritable sanctuary of wisdom where precious manuscripts and rare books are meticulously preserved. Imagine the feeling of holding a book that has survived centuries, its pages whispering tales of bygone eras. The libraries of Cairo aren't just repositories of words and pictures, they are the guardians of history. These libraries highlight Cairo's significant contribution to knowledge and learning throughout the ages. In a city known for its grand minarets and sprawling bazaars, it's easy to overlook the quiet, unassuming buildings that house these vast collections. But these libraries, with their ancient texts and scholarly atmosphere, are as much a part of Cairo's rich tapestry as any pyramid or palace. In the heart of Cairo, the wisdom of the ages is preserved. Beneath Cairo's streets, a hidden world awaits. A city as ancient as Cairo holds its fair share of secrets, many of which are buried deep beneath its bustling streets. The city's underbelly is a labyrinth of ancient catacombs and underground tunnels, each holding tales of a time long past. These catacombs, some dating back to the time of the pharaohs, were often used as burial sites and sacred spaces. Mysterious and intricate, they tell stories of life and death, of rituals and reverence. Moving on, Cairo's underground is not just about the past. It is a living, breathing entity, home to a network of modern tunnels that serve as the city's lifeline, connecting different parts of this sprawling metropolis. And then, there are the ongoing archaeological excavations. Every dig is a chance to unearth a new piece of Cairo's rich history, a new secret waiting to be told. Who knows what secrets still lie undiscovered beneath Cairo's streets? As we've seen, Cairo is a city steeped in history and filled with mysteries. A city that's been standing for over 1,000 years, each corner whispering tales of the past. From the grandeur of its 1,000 minarets reaching for the heavens, to the ancient libraries holding centuries of wisdom, Cairo is a place where history lives and breathes. Beneath the bustling streets, you'll find an intricate maze of underground secrets, a testament to the city's ever-evolving narrative. And yet, there is so much more to discover, so many more stories waiting to be told. So I implore you, delve deeper, seek further. Let the allure of Cairo's mysteries lead you down new paths of discovery. After all, every stone, every street, every minaret in Cairo has a tale to tell. Until we meet again, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Keep exploring.